guys, and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your laptop computer, okay, or your desktop computer, whichever, during your exam, okay. And also, students have been asking me, Ma, please show us how to use the system. I don't know how to use the system, okay. This video, I'm going to be explaining to you, showing you the JAMB special keyboard keys, short keys that you can use if you're afraid of the mouse. All right, and and I'm going to just show you some housekeeping rules when you get into the exam. Some exam centers, you are going to have a laptop. Most might have a laptop, some might be desktop, okay. But whichever you have, please, when you get into your sitting position, you know, you must have done your biometric before you are being shown to where you will sit with your own computer, your cubicle, okay. So when you are there, please endeavor to note the charger of your device, the power plug of your device, be it desktop, be it laptop, and ensure it is charging, it is plugged in well, and your leg should not be close to the wire because you don't want to unplug your system during the exam. Do you understand that? I hope you guys are getting me now. Okay, so now, when you have that, you have your mouse. Another thing you should check again, if you're using a laptop, and you notice that the mouse, the touchpad isn't working, I beg you, please open your mouth and raise up your hand and tell the examiner, please, ma'am, this thing is not working, my mouse touchpad is not working, can you give me a mouse? But I'm sure some exam centers, they always provide a mouse as an alternative for students that don't know how to use the touchpad. Okay, so now we're going to go into how to use, come closer please. So you have your interface. When you get into, so when you're looking at your interface, you're going to see JAMB, and it's going to ask you where you should input your JAMB registration number. When you input your JAMB registration number, remember you have your sheet, right? Your examination printout sheet. You input your JAMB registration number. When you do that, it will bring up your details. Cross-check your details. Is it me? Is it my name? Is it my subject combination? When you cross-check that, then you can now start. So, you know, we are using the DTW JAMB CBT app as an example of how to go through your CBT exam. Okay, so I'm going to, let's say I'm doing biology, I'm doing chemistry, and I'm doing physics. That's what I'm selecting on my DTW JAMB CBT app. So for you, on the JAMB interface, what you see is, it will just show you your details, your subjects. And once you have that, all you need to do, when you confirm that it is my name, it is my subject combination, then you click start. So I'm going to click here, start. Please come closer now. I'm going to click start. Okay, when you click start, it will now enter into the exam interface. Okay, so you can see how we got in. Can you see your timer? Your countdown timer is already counting. That's why I always tell people, I uploaded a video today on time management during your JAMB exam. So come here, come close to the screen here. You can see here now you have your 4 subjects: English, biology, chemistry, physics. It is not a must for you to start with the first subject. Biology, I always tell my students, you can start with your easiest subject. If biology is easy for you, go into biology and finish it up. Okay? So now you come here now. Let's see. Let's go. Let's say we want to start with English first. Now you can use your A. Can you see? I just clicked A and the option became A. These are the short key of JAMB. Your keyboard short key. If I click B, can you see it's changing? I hope you can get it clear. Yes. All right. If I click C, punch on C, it changes to this. If I punch on D, it changes to this. If I want to go to the next question, the letter you punch is N, next. It has gone to number 2. If I want to go back, you press P, previous. It has gone to number 1. Do you see that? I hope we got that. That is using your keyboard. If you want to use your mouse, all you need to do is just scroll to that particular option, click A. If you want to go next, there is a button called, you see on the JAMB interface, there's a next button. You click next, it takes you there. You scroll down for when you see long comprehension passages, and you'll be wondering, oh, where are the options? All you need to do is just scroll down, and you will see all the options. So you click on the one that you want to, the option that is correct to you during your examination, okay? And you click next. And notice that once I click on on an answer option, the color on the tab changes. If I don't click on anyone, if I don't answer anyone, the color remains like, it's not blue, it's just white. That is the same way your JAMB would be during your exam. So it tells you which you've answered, which you have not answered, so that you can always go to the ones that you've not answered and try to answer them. Okay, I always advise students, there is no negative marking in JAMB. Finish your exam. Okay, and I've also done a video on how to intelligently guess your answers. In fact, let me not do it now, I'll do it in another video. Okay, but this is the way you use your key. Now, when you are done with that subject, all you need to do is click on the next subject, biology. When you finish with biology, go to chemistry. Click on chemistry. When you finish chemistry, go to physics. Then when you are done, it's now time to submit. You can use the S button to submit. And it's going to ask you, do you really want to submit? Then you say yes. Okay, you type what? Why? Yes, you want to submit. And it has submitted. Can you see this? It has submitted. This is on the DTW JAMB CBT app, which you can download and practice and practice and practice. Download it on Google Play Store, on Apple Play Store, and it costs 4,000 naira to activate the DTW JAMB CBT app to enjoy all the features, authentic past questions, over 33,000 past questions with their answer and explanation. And come closer, you might be wondering, is there explanation, is there correction? Can you see? There's correction. Okay, I think we did English. These are the ones we did. Okay, can you see? There's explanation, there's correction. When you click on it, there's always an explanation on correction on DTW JAMB CBT app. Okay, and yes, I know some students will ask, Ma, is there calculator? Yes, there's calculator. On the tab, on top, on your top menu, you see calculator. If you want to use your calculator, you see it. I always tell, especially science students, do not rely on the JAMB calculator. One, because it's not scientific. Try to practice without calculator during your normal study, okay? Because sometimes the calculator can slow you down. Or let's say you have big figures, yes, and then you can come and use the calculator. The only thing I feel is very important on the calculator is maybe the square root and the square. Apart from that, you can do all this calculation on your rough sheets of paper. Okay? So this is how you use the DTW, use your computer during your JAMB examination. As I said, if you notice any malfunction on your system, guys, do not be afraid to open your mouth and speak. Tell the examiner, the vigilators there that your system isn't functioning well. Please, do not be scared. Do not be intimidated. All right? And when you are done, you click submit. You are blessed, guys, and destined to win. Don't forget to share to help someone. All right, share this video to help someone, and download the DTW JAMB CBT app to practice, practice, practice. You are blessed, guys. Don't forget that Jesus loves you. Come to him today. You are blessed and destined to win in the forthcoming JAMB 2026 examination. Take care, guys. Make sure you share. And if you're ready for JAMB, I want you to comment below, I am ready. You are blessed. I quickly pray for you for strength to come upon you, and I pray for success in your forthcoming JAMB 2026 examination. Take care, guys. I'm waiting for your testimony.